perspective of planet Earth from up here, and I think that you appreciate the planet as a whole a lot more. I mean, certainly in terms of weather systems, but for example, at the moment, looking at the fires in Alberta and seeing how that smoke is affecting the whole continent of North America, it does give you a different perspective of our planet, and certainly a huge appreciation for how fragile our atmosphere is well. Over. You know, there are so many beautiful places on Earth that I would like to visit, but I think New Zealand in particular looks beautiful, so I'd like to take the family camping there. Over. Hi Freddie, yes, I think we will return people to the moon, hopefully in the short term as well, and when we go there it will be to set up permanent habitation modules, not just for a short visit. And all the work that we're doing on the International Space Station at the moment is learning how we can live and work in space for long periods of time, which is the next step to the moon and then Mars and then beyond into the solar system. Over. Well, there are many things that will improve the quality of life on Earth. I mean, in particular, we're looking into the aging system quite a lot with a lot of the human life science research that we're doing. And so that will help our aging population to remain fit and healthier for longer, for which will benefit everybody. And also, of course, there are specific diseases that we're looking into in respect of viruses and protein crystal growth that can help people with diabetes and motor neurone disorders, that kind of thing. Over. Robert, that's a great question. Yes, I will be aging just very, very slightly slower, but we're talking hundredths of a second slower in a 6-month stay. And of course, although I'm traveling faster, I'm also in a slightly weaker gravity field up here, so you have to take that into account too. Over. Ben, well, I can promise you you're not alone in thinking about that question. There are many people who wonder the same thing, and the greatest scientific minds in the world have still not answered that question. I'm afraid I don't have any answers for you either, but I do often think about it. And certainly our time on board the space station is looking into the universe. We have many experiments that are going on, searching for things such as dark energy and dark matter that may help us to answer some of these questions. Over. Hello, Robbie. Yes, sunrise and sunset are particularly spectacular. I love going to the cupola and watching them anytime I can and trying to capture the stunning colours on camera as well. So yes, I do think they're very spectacular up here. Over. Yes, you know, I studied maths, physics and chemistry at school. I love the science, but sometimes the maths underlying the science I found more complicated. I found the practical elements of science much easier to grasp. So I got some extra help with the maths, and I would say to anybody who's struggling is just stick with it, talk to people, try and find out people who can help, and also try and find out what it is that interests you. And as soon as you put things into perspective with something that really interests you, and for me it was flying that I was passionate about, the maths all fell into place. Over. Question, and yes, we do bring some air into space in the form of oxygen and nitrogen tanks, but we also make air as well. We use electrolysis of water to split water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. and then we obviously breathe the oxygen gas, and the hydrogen gas goes back into making water. So it's a complete cycle up here. We're really shooting for 100% of recycling. Over. Question there. So yes, do